MarkApp partners with Sovrn to unlock commerce and audience targeting capabilities. MarkApp, a leading independent ad tech company with a global footprint in mobile app, connected TV, CTV, and web monetization, today announced a strategic partnership with Sovrn, the industry's premier provider of commerce intelligence, audience targeting, and publisher monetization solutions. This collaboration marks a significant milestone in MarkApp's mission to deepen its value proposition for both advertisers and publishers across all digital environments, leveraging Sovrn's commerce stack for contextual performance. Through this partnership, MarkApp will integrate Sovrn's cutting-edge commerce solutions, enabling precision-level product linking, SKU-based ad targeting, and performance-driven affiliate monetization. Sovrn's commerce intelligence, derived from billions of shopping intent signals, will empower MarkApp to deploy highly contextual, shoppable ad formats across its publisher network. This includes real-time dynamic product feeds embedded in content-rich environments, optimized for both app and mobile web placements. With Sovrn, we're bringing the full-funnel commerce journey into the media layer, said Sotiris Oikonomou, managing director at MarkApp. From inspiration to conversion, we'll connect shoppers to products across premium content experiences, especially in high-performing verticals like lifestyle, tech, and entertainment. Audience targeting at scale with verified intent data. Sovrn's audience targeting layer powered by deterministic, privacy-safe intent data is now available across MarkApp's exchange. This includes hundreds of scalable segments derived from on-site behaviors, content signals, and transactional patterns, enabling advanced targeting for advertisers in cookieless environments. By enriching its programmatic bid stream with Sovrn's real-time audience segments, MarkApp's demand-side partners gain superior precision in reaching high-value consumers on both mobile and CTV. This is especially critical as third-party identifiers phase out and attention shifts toward first-party signal enrichment and contextual intelligence. Integrated across programmatic and direct pipes, the integration extends across MarkApp's real-time bidding stack, direct I/O workflows, and PMP, private marketplace. Deal-censoring advertisers can activate Sovrn-powered commerce and audience products seamlessly through any buying channel. Meanwhile, publishers monetizing through MarkApp benefit from higher CPMs, deeper engagement metrics, and monetizable shopping journeys layered into their editorial content. A strategic move for a cookie-free future. This partnership underscores MarkApp's continued commitment to future-proofed monetization and scalable value creation. With Sovrn's proprietary signal graph, MarkApp is uniquely positioned to deliver end-to-end outcomes from attention to action across a fragmented digital ecosystem. MarkApp is one of the most agile and innovative exchanges in the market today, said a Sovrn spokesperson. We're excited to see how their tech-forward team activates our commerce and audience tools to create a smarter, more connected advertising experience. About MarkApp. MarkApp is an independent, high-growth ad tech company offering programmatic infrastructure, monetization services, and direct demand integrations across mobile apps, web, and connected TV. With a global network of partners and an in-house product suite, including real-time analytics, AI-powered optimization, and automated billing, MarkApp powers performance-driven advertising at scale. About Sovrn. Sovrn provides advertising, affiliate commerce, and audience products to thousands of publishers, delivering insights and monetization across more than 60,000 websites globally. Known for its first-party data capabilities, Sovrn helps partners maximize yield, performance, and value in a privacy-first advertising landscape.